Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Danielle May, and today I'm gonna be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. This is not really like a makeup tutorial, to be honest. It's just mostly like what I do on a daily basis. Let's get on with a video. First thing I really do is moisturize first, and this is the one I usually moisturize with in the morning before my makeup. At night, I have like a different routine for my face, I guess you can say. This is the moisturizer I use. I got it from Walgreens and it was like $6, but I had to only pay like $5. So that's what I use to moisturize. It smells so good. Like, it smells amazing. I kind of just want to like eat it. My face feels so soft right now. And it looks like I'm not breaking out, but I am. Okay, so I've been having troubles like trying to film lately. And it's not okay because I've always wanted to film videos, do YouTube as a little girl, and I'm not even pursuing that or anything. And like, I suck at editing, I suck at video ideas, I just suck at everything. Do you hear that? That's my little dog. Usually for foundation, I use the e.l.f. or the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir in the shade 755. Yeah, I use these two. This one is the shade Suede. Kind of have to hurry because I'm leaving. I'm so confused. So many like events at schools are being canceled, but not school itself. Like, school lasts up to 8 hours and you can get it coronavirus easier that way because it lasts longer. But like, the events are only like about 2 hours long or so, and they're like canceling or postponing it, and I'm like, what the okay. Like, what the heck? That's kind of like janked up. But I also heard that my prom, my school prom, is being postponed, or like it might be postponed because of like what's going on lately with like the coronavirus and all that. And I just think it's really dumb how they're gonna postpone something that's in like 3 to 2 months and then not postpone what's happening right now, which is school. They have this idea where they could just do online schooling for like a week or two through Google Classroom, and that's okay, to be honest. Like, that's okay, but like, I don't know, they need to act quicker, bruh. Kind of making it unfair to the students. I mean, it's not like I'm going to any of those things. I'm not good at blending my foundation, but it's fine. My camera is about to die. You're kidding me right now? This is not okay. This product I'm using is by e.l.f. and it is a cream contour palette, and this is just a brush I'm using. It's a eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. and I just put that right here. Yeah, you can't really tell because my camera has like a pink tint to it right now. And then I'm gonna take that same brush but in the tip. It's okay if you mess up with your contour or your eyebrows, because like you could just like conceal that and like powder that, you know. After I blend that, I take my dry sponge. I have two because one for dry and one for like blending and stuff. My camera is literally about to die. This is not okay. Oh my god, so one of my favorite YouTubers got pregnant and she's 17. I literally love her. She's so cute. So I set that. I don't bake it just because like I feel like when I bake it, that more like flashback memory comes. Sometimes I don't even bake because I like the natural glow of it. I'm gonna film a morning routine / day of my life as an online student, and it's kind of hard because like I get lazy sometimes to even do my own work, so that's gonna be kind of hard to film, but I'm aiming for this week. So I've been watching some lately so I can get motivated to film it, but it's like kind of not working. School has been hard, like math especially. I don't know why it's so dang hard. Just kidding, I know why. Because I'm not good at math and I suck at math the most. Usually for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow, but since we're doing drugstore, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Lockout Liner. Probably doesn't want to focus because it's about to die, so I'm going to be using that. This video is going to be pretty short, but hey, at least I'm posting it. I've been really procrastinating. I've been like, I don't want to post, I don't want to do any of that, I'm insecure, and I don't know what to post. Oh my god. I don't really do like too much for my eyebrows if I'm going for a natural look. I just kind of like low-key fill them in, just like the little bald spots. So I've been having like 10 to 13 hours of sleep, and it's like so bad, and that's like life of an online student, you know. Okay, so now I'm going to be setting with the Milani Make It Last. I'm actually running out, but it's fine because I usually use the Urban Decay one, and I like this one because it smells good. I just noticed that most of these products are e.l.f. So e.l.f., you better sponsor me or whatever. So now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Highlighter. I was thinking of getting the Wet n Wild highlighter because that one looked really creamy and good, so I was all I do this while my makeup is still wet, so the highlighter can go on like smoothly. So for my lip gloss, I use this lip oil from LA Colors, and this is from Dollar Store, one of my dollar finds, and it's pretty nice actually. Like, I have pretty small lips, but like it's like not sticky, and it goes like that. I'm gonna put on these eyelashes. They're just natural ones. They're just natural, like non-bold ones. And for the glue, I use this Duo one, and this is my favorite glue. It's so good. So I'm gonna go put this on because my camera is literally actually about to die. Okay, so this is it for the Drugstore makeup tutorial that I do on a daily basis. This is pretty much it. It's just like really basic, and you can't even tell that I'm wearing makeup, so that's the magic in makeup. If you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe because I need them subscribers though. Just kidding. Follow my socials, they'll be in the link down below, and stay tuned for my next videos that I will try to post on time. And yeah.